Somo is one of the popular tools in social media management and analytics. But before you dive in, here are 12 things you should know to decide if it's the right fit for your business. Unlike other platforms, Somo offers a range of features that can help businesses streamline their social media efforts, but it's not without its trade offs. Let's get into it. First off, Somo does come with a wide array of analytics tools that can help you track the performance of your social media campaigns across multiple platforms. Whether you're using Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, it pulls all the data into one dashboard. However, compared to competitors like Hootsuite or Sprout Social, the depth of the analytics can feel a bit limited if you're looking for very advanced reporting features. If you're a larger enterprise, you might need something more robust. Next, Somo offers scheduling features that allow you to plan and schedule posts ahead of time. This saves you time, especially when managing multiple accounts. But if you're looking for something that offers more flexibility, like Buffer, which allows you to reschedule posts with ease, Somo could feel a bit rigid in comparison. It lacks some of the fine-tuned control over scheduling options. The third thing to note is the platform's ease of use. Somo is generally straightforward to use, and it's beginner-friendly, which is a plus if you don't want to waste time learning a complicated system. But if you are looking for more customization options, other tools like AgriPulse or SocialBee provide a higher level of personalization and control. Next, let's talk about reporting. Somo's reporting system is user-friendly, giving you basic insights on how your social media posts are performing. But if you need more granular reports or more detailed breakdowns, you might find it lacking compared to alternatives like Sprout Social, which offer deep dive reports and team collaboration features. Now, Somo's pricing model is relatively simple, but it can get expensive as you scale. While it's affordable for small businesses, once you need more accounts or advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to a more costly plan. This makes Somo more budget-friendly for smaller teams, but potentially a bit restrictive as your needs grow. The sixth thing is that Somo offers collaboration features, making it easier for teams to work together on social media strategies. However, these features are still limited in comparison to platforms like Hootsuite, which offers a full suite of collaboration tools with features like approval workflows and team task management. Next, Somo integrates with multiple social media platforms, but its integrations aren't as extensive as some competitors. While you can link your major accounts, if you need a platform that integrates with a variety of third-party apps or CRMs, you might be better off with something like Buffer, which has a wider range of integrations. The eighth thing is its customer support. Somo provides decent support, but it doesn't stand out in this area. It doesn't have the same level of 24/7 assistance that you might get with platforms like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, so if you're running a global business that needs constant support, this could be a downside. Another thing to consider is the mobile app. Somo's mobile app does a good job of handling basic tasks like posting and checking analytics, but it's not as powerful as some other mobile options out there. If managing your social media on the go is crucial for you, you might prefer an app like Buffer or Hootsuite, which offer more comprehensive mobile functionalities. The 10th thing to know is that Somo can sometimes be slower to update its features. While it regularly adds new functionalities, it doesn't roll them out as quickly as competitors like Sprout Social, which constantly updates its features to stay ahead of the curve. Another thing worth mentioning is the learning curve. While Somo is generally easy to use, it can take some time to get familiar with certain features. If you're accustomed to other platforms, you may find the transition to Somo slightly time-consuming, especially when compared to the intuitive design of competitors like AgriPulse. The 12th thing is its scalability. Somo works well for small to medium-sized businesses, but may not be the best solution for large corporations with complex needs. If your business is growing and you need something that can scale with your team, platforms like Hootsuite or Sprout Social might offer more in terms of team management and enterprise-level features. Overall, Somo is a good option if you're looking for a straightforward social media management tool with analytics. It's simple, easy to use, and offers solid performance for smaller teams. However, if you need a more robust set of features or you plan to scale your business, we recommend checking out our alternative solution that offers a free trial with better options for growing businesses.